Hello Next Rankers! Welcome back to another episode of Next Rank. Today we're going to talk about how to do a YouTube giveaway. Running a YouTube giveaway is a fantastic way to give your numbers a little bit of a boost. I mean, who doesn't love free stuff, right?
I do.
And I mean, running a contest is dead simple. You get someone to enter the contest, you choose a winner, and then you're done. Okay, it's actually not that simple on YouTube. So in this video, we're gonna go through all the moving pieces that's involved in order for you to run your next successful YouTube giveaway.
Now before we jump in, if you like our content, please help us out by hitting the subscribe button and giving us a big thumbs up. If you want to be notified of any of our future videos, make sure to also turn on the post notifications. Now setting up a YouTube giveaway is done in 3 easy steps. You've got your setup and your announcement, you've got your selecting a winner, and last but not least, you need to validate and actually send out the prize. So let's go through these in order. Step 1 is choosing what you're gonna do for your giveaway. What item do you want to give away and how you want to do it. Now what we recommend is putting your giveaway in another video. So instead of doing it as a whole separate standalone video, do like something like this. We are teaching you in this video how to run a YouTube giveaway, and if you stay until the end, we're going to be doing an actual giveaway. Now a couple of extra tips to keep in mind. If you are giving away a physical product, you might want to do a product review and a giveaway as one video. So as an example, we love to review backpacks and bags. So if we were to ever do a full product review, we would put a giveaway as part of that actual product review. Now another thing you want to keep in mind is that, this video is probably going to hold people through its entirety because you're going to be doing the first half of the video, which is your informational review, whatever it's going to be, and the second half is going to be the giveaway information. So really take advantage of having your viewers watching your videos for the entirety of the whole thing. Make sure that you're plugging yourself. Tell people to subscribe. Tell people to like and comment, and tell people to go check out your other videos.
All right, wait, hang on. So, go and click subscribe. Go and make a comment.
And give us a big thumbs up.
YouTube cares a lot about its community, so they have actually pretty stringent guidelines on what you need to include in your giveaway. They are embedded inside the terms and services that you've already agreed to, so pay attention in this next part to make sure you're compliant. As the time of this filming, this is what you need, but make sure you check the terms and services to make sure that you are following the guidelines.
The last thing you want to do is break any of the YouTube guidelines.
Okay, so item number 1 and 2. It's just to clearly state what the actual contest is about, what the prize is, and how to enter. And last but not least, you want to include some official rules. Clearly stated. So the official rules should have the contest period, when it opens and when it closes. It will also have how the winner will be contacted, and you should also include information on what you will do with the information you collect as part of this contest. So for example, in this video, we're not going to do anything with that information. All we're going to do is to use it to contact you.
Also make sure that you're following the rules and guidelines of your own country. Each country might have different specifications when it comes to obtaining information from other people. So make sure that you're not breaking any laws in the country that you're in.
And lastly, clearly state in both written and verbally that the contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for the contest and the distribution of the prize.
Now once your contest comes to a close, you're going to want to select a winner. We highly recommend doing it immediately as the contest closes, because if you're running your contest based on comments, you don't want to have to go back and filter through which comments were within the contest period and which ones weren't.
That gets complicated real fast.
Now to actually select a winner, there's a whole bunch of free tools online that you can use. Something like contestpicker.com allows you to put the URL of the video you're running the contest on into their search engine tool, and it actually goes through all the comments. It removes duplicates, so if you've had a user put more than one comment, it's going to remove the duplicates for you. That's it. It's a feature you can actually choose whether you want it or not. And then based on all of the valid user comments, it's going to filter through and just select a winner for you.
Nice and easy. Also gives you a link right back to that comment. Now the last step, contacting the winner and validating that they are the winner. This is the hard part, and it stumped us a little bit when we were trying to put this whole thing together, and it actually became the inspiration for this particular video. On another platform such as Instagram, Tia was telling me that there is a whole entire thing where you just go boom, message winner, and then hey, you're the winner. Since messaging is already built into Instagram, that was nice and easy.
But on YouTube, there's no direct messaging feature. You can't just go to the person's account and say, I want to email them. So what we found when we were doing research is a lot of YouTubers, a lot of content creators were saying that they had fake accounts emailing them trying to claim somebody else's prize. And that's when we had a light bulb moment. We've decided to do two-factor authentication manually. Now think when you log into something and it says, oh, we're gonna text you a code and you need to put the code in to validate that it's you. That's what we're gonna do, but on a very manual level. So in our giveaway, if you were to win it, what we would ask you to do is email us. We're then gonna give you a code. Now this could be random letters and numbers, it could be a random word. And what we'll have you do is actually go back to your original comment, edit the comment, and add that keyword into it. As the sole owner and accessibility of your Gmail account, you should be the only one who can edit your comment. So that's how we're going to validate if you're really the winner.
Pretty clever, right? I think so too.
We'll give Andy a pat on the back for that one.
So now that we've explained how to run a contest, let's put that into action.
It's contest time! Woo!
Okay, so we're running a contest to give away a $50 Amazon gift card plus a 1-hour consultation with us where we can dive into whatever it is that you need that's YouTube or social media related.
What do you need to do to enter this contest? 2 easy steps. Number 1, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And number 2, comment below on this video the area in YouTube that you need more help with. It could be something broad like SEO, or you could get more specific and say, I want to learn how to make better thumbnails. Just let us know in the comments below what area you need more help with.
We'll just say you're not locked in, okay? We're just interested in knowing what people want to see. Once we've selected the winner, we can nail down exactly what we're going to talk about in that hour at that time.
Now, this contest is going to run from 9 AM Eastern on September 13th, 2020, and will close at 9 PM Eastern on September 20th, 2020. And we will be announcing the winner at 9:01 PM. We'll be announcing the winner directly in this video. We'll update the description of the video with the winner, and that person has a week to contact us. If you do not contact us within a week, unfortunately, you're going to be disqualified and we're going to have to choose someone else. But because we can't reach out to you, you're just gonna need to keep an eye out and reach out to us.
Okay, I think that's all the things that we need. Oh, wait, hang on. One more thing. So this contest is not sponsored by YouTube in any shape or form. We are solely responsible for running it, selecting the winner, and making sure that the prize gets to the winner.
If you want to review any of the contest rules that we've just run through, including how to enter, what you can win, and any of those legal mumbo jumbo details, check in the description below. Everything is captured in there. Well guys, that wraps up this video on how to create and run a YouTube giveaway. We're excited to be running a giveaway of our own, and we can't wait to announce the winner a week from now.